my name is Kent. I'm with Training Kamp. I'm a certified personal trainer and a certified recreation therapist. I help people reverse illnesses and injuries through movement. For more ideas, go to my blog at actionablewellness.com and subscribe to the channel and get more updates. We're going to do some warm-ups. We're going to walk in place. Feel free to walk around the room. Right now we're walking outside. It's important to get circulation to those joints and to those muscles, so that when you're doing your training, you run the less risk of getting injured, pulling a muscle or injuring your joints. So we're just marching it out. We also have a chair. Be sure to have a chair close by, so if you start getting tired, feel free to sit down and take a break. But you definitely want to make sure you get a nice sturdy chair that doesn't move around. You just got a folding chair, a metal folding chair. So if I start getting tired, I can have a seat. And if you need to, you're gonna hold on. We also have a TheraBand, which is great for moving it anywhere, taking it anywhere. You can put it in your pocket, your purse, your luggage, wherever you're going. So to make this a little tough, we can work a little bit more on balance. So raise those knees up, get those hips high. Working on balance, coordination, stability. This works a lot of different areas. Working on core. So just keep marching, get that blood circulating. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. Keep those knees up high. It's important to raise those knees up. All right, good. Now we're gonna have a seat in this nice sturdy chair we got here. And we're gonna use this TheraBand. We're gonna do leg extensions. So, the thing about TheraBands, if you have a lot of slack, there's less tension. But if you want more tension, you choke up on the TheraBand. And here we go. We're gonna lift the knee up and extend. This is working the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes. These are the major muscles of your legs. This helps you get up and down stairs, and up and down chairs. And you should feel a little bit of a burn, but if you have sharpshooting pain, listen to your body. Good. Now we're going to switch over to the other leg. Because if you don't, you end up walking around in circles, and that could be a problem. So just press through your ankle. Feeling good, feeling that burn, no sharpshooting pain, feeling really good. All right, now we're gonna go put both feet in there. Now we're gonna do exercise our shoulders and the back. So this is what we're gonna call a row, a mid row. So your back is straight, keep your back straight, your head up. And you're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades together. This is working all those back muscles back there. This is gonna help with posture. This is working those biceps, rear shoulders, and you should feel a little bit of a burn. Feeling good. Awesome. Good. Now we're going to work the lower back. Keep your back straight. This is working right back here. And again, you want to have less tension. You're going to make it easier, but if you want to make it harder, tighten it up. Your back is straight, your legs are slightly bent. They come all the way back to the back, touching your back to the chair, and do this 12 times. This helps with posture, keeping us up and straight, our back straight. Look straight ahead. Make sure you breathe. very important. Your muscles need that oxygen to do what they need to do in your blood. Feeling good. I'm feeling a little bit of a burn, which is good because that's making our muscles nice and strong, helping with endurance. This is also helping with our core strength. Also, you want to just make sure you keep your abs nice and tight. Like if someone's going to hit you in the stomach, you want your abs tight. So that's going to help protect your back. Good. Now, we're going to go into curls. Curls are very important. It helps us eat, helps us to carry your groceries. And we're just going to curl up just like that. Feel that? Feeling good. Very important. Helps us carry our grandkids, groceries, helps with everyday living around the house. Excellent. You guys are doing great. So now we got one. I'm gonna march it out. We're gonna here. This helps us pick our feet up while we're walking around. This helps strengthens our hip flexors, so we can pick up our feet when we're going upstairs. And this is a safe way of doing it, because if you happen to fall, you're not going to fall because you got a nice, sturdy, strong chair to hold you and support you. Doing great, doing great. Good. Now we're going to do some stretching in our necks. We're going to rotate your heads. Go to the front and to the side. Don't go to the back. Run the risk of compressing discs if you go to the back. Warm and feeling nice and warm and fuzzy. It's amazing what good stretches do. Helps protect us from pulling muscles and hurting our joints. Doing good, doing good. Now we're going to do a chest press, kind of like a push-up. So you're going to push out. This is working the chest muscles as well as the shoulders. You got to keep those shoulders nice and strong. They're strong, but they're delicate, and it's important to keep those shoulders nice and strong. Working the chest. It's also a great exercise to push us away from the dinner table when we've eaten too much. Feeling good? Good. All right. And now we're going to do a shoulder press. Again, it's important to keep our shoulders nice and free so they don't get impinged or have problems. We're just going to press it out. Feel that burn? That's a good sign. That means we're working them, but you don't want that sharp shooting pain. Feeling good? Okay, all right, now we're going to do some light stretches. We're going to put our third bands down. Going to reach for your toes. This is very important to keep our backs nice and stretched out. And reach for your toes. Feel a little more fuzzy feeling back there. Just stretching our hamstrings out. This helps keep us from throwing discs and pulling muscles in our back. Reaching down for paper clips or papers or whatever. All right, good. Now we're going to cross one arm over. If you get that choking feeling, you've gone too far. So make sure you try to reach down your back as far as you can go. Pat yourself on the back because a job well done. Excellent, excellent. And the other side. You guys are doing an amazing job. And this is helping you release that stress through your shoulders. Again, we carry a lot of stress through our shoulders. Excellent. Excellent. Here's another really good stretch for your pulling through your lower back and your hips, and you'll lean into it. This helps relieve that stress through our lower back. As you're standing for long periods of time, this helps take that stress out of that lower back when you're standing for a long period of time. All right. Let's do the other side, so don't walk around in circles. And you should kind of feel like a stretching, pulling, burning sensation, but no sharp shooting pain. I'm feeling all nice and relaxed. Helps with posture, helps with self-esteem. So I hope you all enjoyed today. And again, if you got any, subscribe to actionablewellness.com, and we'll have more tips for you. So thank you very much. Bye.